Okay, and welcome. This is the website. This is mobile mode. This is my developer console. I'm going to take this off and just put it in regular mode. Desktop, it's just a little easier to see. So real quick, you can connect with your wallet and then come to profile here. You can update your profile, view your airdrop allocation that'll come after the token is bonded. And we've got like just a chatbot here. You can come change its personality, and you can provide a knowledge base around you so it can know how it should treat you. I'm not going to worry about any of that right now. We're going to focus on the new type of image generation. If anyone had used the Neural Stack for Work image generator in the past, this is going to be a different way of doing it. You're basically working with this assistant. So we can say, let's do a cyan blue and neon pink Lamborghini with JORBO AI. Or let's just do the Lamborghini. Let's see what this looks like. So we can come here in settings and we can change the aspect ratio of the image and you can change the quality of the image. We're just going to do medium for now. There will also be upscalers, things like that too. Okay. So let's go like this and say, make the Lambo gunmetal gray with cyan and pink LED highlights. So now we're saying, well, we kind of like that, but let's change the change it instead of it being pink and blue. Let's make it a different color. So we're just talking. Oh, you know what? I didn't use it as a reference image, so that's not going to work. Kind of did. Let's see. So now if we use as a reference image, okay, and then we're going to say replace the car logo with a logo for JORBO AI. And if I had like an actual logo thing, I could upload another image to it, but we'll just do that for now. So see, now it is using that as a reference image. We can clear that out. And now we have taking its sweet time. There we go. And let's say we don't like that, and we can go. So we want to use it as a reference and say, make the JORBO AI license plate and do the image in the style of Studio Ghibli and put a magical forest in the background. So this is just a way that you can be real creative with your images because you kind of don't know what AI is going to give you sometimes, but once you like something, you can kind of keep that and just iterate on it, which is a lot easier than just rolling the dice and hoping that AI figures out what you're wanting and having to be so super hyper specific with prompts because kind of stuff materializes as you go. So this will be super powerful for making variation of NFTs. I'll show you another use case. After this one generates right here, we'll take whatever it is. Yeah, so there we go. Now we got our Lamborghini in the magical forest with JORBO AI on it. Okay, so we can go ahead and we'll save that image. Sweet. And then let me show you let's look at a different thing. So real quick, I'll show you NFT treasure. let's say you make a shirt. Nope. Or let's go like this. Let's go NF treasure plug right here. Let's say you go ahead and make a shirt or a hat or something. Let's see, what do we have here? Designs. Let's take this hat here, right? So you know nobody else has this no FUD hat because I made it. And let's go like this. Let's save this image as, and let's go like this. And we'll upload this image here. And we'll say a male influencer model wearing this hat and a basketball jersey and jeans. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. So, yeah, like NF Treasure, Treasure is nice. It's got a nice website. You can build your designs really nicely, and they have standard images that you can do. But you may, I mean, obviously you can order your own and you can model them yourselves, but you're probably not going to be paying models and doing things like that. So this could be a way that you could integrate some of those designs, like say a t-shirt or a hat or something on a person. And you could also reference, I mean, if you had a picture of yourself you wanted to upload with the hat, see what it would look like on you. Bulls one. There we go. And we could get it, if we uploaded the design itself, it would probably help a little more. A hat with the logo, no FUD. Try this again now. I'll probably cut that middle part out. But anyways, get ready. We're going to be launching on the arena here. And this will be my token that will be constantly used to improve all kinds of AI stuff. Once the token launches and I have the contract address, I am working on doing some trading bots and balancer bots to help keep volume up for the token. So here we go. Now we got this picture that we can use to market with a dude in a basketball jersey and a no FUD hat. It's probably not exactly perfect, but it's pretty close. You could really, like, you could probably go in and, like, easily make it exactly like it is supposed to be. And it doesn't have the sticker there because it's up. But that is an additional use case. Let's say we make, like, a vector art style samurai cyborg NFT. So let's say you were wanting to make different variations for an NFT. You basically would want to get your, I guess, your purest, coolest, unique one to start. Figure out what you want there. Maybe that's not it. But you could say reference and change the background to gray, right? And you could do all these different ones, or you could change the. You could say remove helmet. You could say remove samurai sword. You could basically all these pieces. So it would keep the basic outline the same, but you could, replace the sword with a bow staff. I don't know, with a baby doll, with a cigar, whatever. But for those that are not artistic, now all of a sudden, you could say replace his eye with the Avax logo, or who knows. Let's try. Let's use it as a reference and remove helmet. So this is, I believe, the future of AI generation and how it's going to be easier and easier to just talk with machines instead of having to do these like long, drawn out descriptive prompts and hope that you speak in a way that AI understands. Now you got to get instant feedback and, oh, cool, there's one without a helmet. Helmet, no helmet. Replace, oh, let's make sure we use as reference. Samurai sword with a sai. I don't know. That's how you spell that. I'm just like thinking of different Ninja Turtle weapons. Bow staff, sai, what, nunchucks. There we go. I was not prepared for any of this. I'm doing this all flying by the seat of my pants. This thing's probably way too long. I'm going to have to cut some of this stuff out. But I just kind of wanted to show off where this is going, that we have active development, viable product, something that's new and interesting that nobody else is doing. Probably will be token gated. So you will want to hold a certain amount of tokens because I'm going to keep developing and adding features, doing a lot of cool stuff. Also integrating neural stack for work. Okay, cool. So there's a sai coming out of his back now. But you could essentially just rinse and repeat this for all different colors, all different styles. I mean, backgrounds, you can even do it with a transparent background, and then you can just overlay it on top. But you could even isolate out, like remove everything but the sai, remove everything, and then if you want to make some Python code to do all the layers individually, that's definitely a possibility too. That may be some automation workflow that I end up building for an NFT marketplace in the future, depending on how things go. But yeah, let's say make a crypto related meme about the always coming soon bull run. And I didn't even spell crypto right, but let's just see what happens here with this. And I'm just spewing out like random thoughts. I haven't tried any of these prompts before. I've done a lot of like Studio Ghibli style stuff. The crypto bull run coming soon. So we can go like this and we can say, in the style of 1930s Disney. And after this comes in, I'm going to end this demo. I'd be happy to do a live demo or make anything for anyone. In the meantime, if you message me too, I can send you the dev link so you can try it out. I'm always looking for people to break stuff. Okay. So save that. And there you go. Just a different way to image generate, I think, which is a lot more user-friendly for most people that don't learn all the art styles and all the photograph art lingo and everything you need to correctly direct AI. So take it easy, guys. And as always, remember to stack on. Watch for JORBO AI. It's going to be releasing soon on the arena.